Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
We're staying quiet tonight, but it certainly has been an active start to our December. Grand Rapids seeing over 17 inches of snow, and that doesn't include likely what was a trace or a tenth of an inch that we gathered today from those lake effect flurries. That is already 22% of the average season snow. And keep in mind, technically, winter hasn't begun. That will begin on December 21st. We are, though, going to see a bit of a pattern change, already signs of it when you look at Storm Track Live. We're dry tonight, and actually a system missing us off to our south. That's a pattern that we'll actually see continue into portions of our weekend. It will, however, be quite cold. We'll see those low temperatures tonight for some slip down into the single digits. Low teens expected here in Grand Rapids, mid-teens at the lakeshore. Your high temperatures into tomorrow, similar to where we were today, upper 20s to about low 30s. Now, your futurecast keeps us dry for the first half of the day on Friday. We really don't have to talk that snow potential until the late evening hours as a cold front starts to peel through. And once it does just that, we're getting clipped by a system, so we're not going to see persistent snowfall by any means. In fact, most of this wraps up by about midnight. We will catch another break Saturday morning, but a system will pass off to our south. And I do think there's the potential that it does add a light dusting to our southernmost counties or counties near and south of I-94. So really a bunch of systems across the Midwest this weekend. We'll also see the potential of some lake effect into Sunday. And once we add that all together, really some of our lakeshore counties, and especially those counties off to the south, expected to see at least 2 inches. Could be upwards of about 4 to 5 inches from preliminary model data. Further inland, though, along 131, we're expecting lighter snow amounts, about 1 to 2 inches expected there. Now, I did mention the factor of lake effect into late Saturday as well as Sunday. I do think this could really be a factor, again, targeting just some specific locations, but inland on Sunday looks to be quite quiet. In fact, we may even see some sunshine in the mix. That sunshine is going to help our temperatures a bit, but we'll really start to see a warm up as we move into the second half of that 8-day. And this pattern expected to actually continue through Christmas. A good probability of above average highs, which will put us in the upper 30s. It's not going to melt that snowpack right away, but if we see a long stretch of it and even those low temperatures start to rise, it could certainly make a dent. 28 is your high tomorrow. We're in the low 20s this weekend with single digit low temperatures, and then we'll rebound above freezing, warm enough that we could be tracking some rain on Thursday rather than snow out there.
What haven't we received?
I know, it's all over the place.
Okay. Sarah, thank you.